Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Kia Xceed 2. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 118 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 47 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 12 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 23,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Metallic Lunar Silver and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues, so with a nice clean interior. The seats are in really good condition. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. The car also has air conditioning, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel there, and then automatic headlights. And on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. The Xceed's a good size family hatchback, so a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, with the rear seats that could be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you've then also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.